Have you ever wondered what actually happens to your house when you pass away? Because for most families, the home is the biggest asset they have. And if there's no plan in place, that home can get tied up in probate, which means delays, costs, and sometimes unnecessary stress for the people you care about. Hi, I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about how to protect your family home and keep it out of probate. The first and probably the most common strategy is using a living trust. You transfer the home into the trust during your lifetime. You stay in full control. Nothing changes day to day. But when you pass away, the property transfers according to your instructions without going through the court process. That's a big win for your family. Another option, depending on your state, is a transfer on death deed. This allows you to name a beneficiary for the property, and when you pass, it transfers directly to them. Simple, but it has to be set up correctly. You might also hear about joint ownership with right of survivorship. That can work in some situations, especially with spouses, but it's not always the best fit because you're giving someone ownership rights right now, not just in the future. That comes with risks, so it needs to be thought through carefully. Now, here's something people don't always consider: liens and debts. If there are outstanding obligations tied to the property, that can complicate the transfer, even if you've done everything else right. So part of the plan is making sure those issues are addressed ahead of time. And finally, communicate your plan. If your family doesn't know what your intentions are, even the best plan can lead to confusion or conflict. A simple conversation can go a long way. At the end of the day, protecting your home isn't just about documents. It's about making sure the transition is smooth, clear, and aligned with what you actually want. If you want help putting a plan in place, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll walk you through your options and help you get it set up the right way. If this was helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.